This is your Siskiyou County Neighborhood Forecast.
Happy Monday to you. I'm Chief Meteorologist Mike Kruger taking a look at your Siskiyou County planner for today. You betcha it's going to be another wet one out there. I don't expect the snow levels to really vary much from what we saw yesterday. So still fairly high snow levels as we still have that warm subtropical moisture moving in. However, this area of low pressure right here, speckled clouds, that's the colder air that'll be swinging southward here over the next couple of days and eventually lower snow levels as a result. Now you'll notice we have a winter storm warning for the areas in pink for Siskiyou County until 4 a.m. on Wednesday. We also have a winter weather advisory for central Siskiyou County until 4 a.m. on Wednesday. So again, as those snow levels drop, we're probably going to be dealing with more snow in those lower elevations. But here you can see at midday, look at that, I mean around Mount Shasta. So we're seeing that potential for maybe some snow. Looks like some of the colder air is kind of making its way southward into northern Siskiyou County. But otherwise, again, it's not changing much. Eventually, we start to see that colder air move in by around Tuesday. There's Tuesday morning. This shifts down to the south and east. We're seeing the better potential. This will be moving back to the north and west here once we go into Tuesday afternoon. All right, let's take a look at your Monday road conditions forecast. There's a look at I-5 right here, Highway 97, and of course Highway 89. We've got Highway 3. So what you'll notice here, we are seeing some of that snow once again, much like yesterday on Highway 97, but I-5 for the most part looks to be fairly clear. And then of course you can see as we go into 10 p.m. we begin to fill in some of that with snow and a bit of a mix here near Mount Shasta City, possibly even Highway 89. And then there you can see some of that colder air beginning to move in here by the time we go into 4 o'clock tomorrow morning. But of course, that's something that is subject to change as we get closer to tomorrow morning. There is a flood warning here, as you can see here, until 10 o'clock here for Siskiyou County here. So again, the area creeks, streams, low-lying areas could be looking at the potential for some flooding, and that's something we need to be aware of. In fact, let's take a look at that again here. Now, that's a flood warning, excuse me. So that means it is already occurring. So if you live in any of those areas, of course, you need to take the necessary precautions. All right, there it is. We've got the forecast winds here for today at 2 p.m. Look at the gusty winds coming in from the south, even from Mount Shasta City, about 34 miles per hour. By later tonight, though, those winds should start to die down, and of course, even into your Tuesday. Here's your Siskiyou County neighborhood forecast. Temperatures mainly in the upper 30s, low 40s out towards Highway 96. We're talking mid to upper 30s here for the I-5 corridor. Taking a look at Scott Valley, mid to upper 30s. Notice the snow levels dropping to about 2,000 feet for Wednesday, Thursday. So we've got a better potential for snow in Scott Valley, even as early as tomorrow. But of course, Wednesday, Thursday is a potential as well. Taking a look at places like McLeod, again, down to about 2,500 feet Tuesday, 2,000 feet Wednesday, Thursday. Look at those overnight lows. It is getting significantly cooler as that colder air begins to move in. You can also see that for Mount Shasta City. Now, I do think Mount Shasta could be looking at the potential for snow as we go into Tuesday, Wednesday, even Thursday, and yeah, how about Friday as well? Temperatures staying in the upper 30s, though, even though it should dry out by the weekend.